Hi friends, I'm Tilak, you're watching Tech Made Me Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert the videos on your Google Slide and how to drop the videos on from your computer to your Google Slide. I'm just going to show in this video, and if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to insert the video in Google Slide, I'm just going to show in this video. So first of all, open the Google Slide and click on this three dot or open a Google Drive directly. So after opening the Google Drive, you just need to create a new folder. Click on the plus symbol on the top. So I just going to create a new folder so you can easily identify. So here I just going to create a folder like slide of content. Okay. So now create it. Now we created the folder here. Just open it. Now you just want to insert a video here, so only we can drop this video on your file of Google Slide. We can't directly push the video inside the slide. For an example, just going to insert the video. Click on the video. Now it will show us two options, one from YouTube and one from Google Drive. We can't insert the video directly from the computer. Okay, so first of all, how to insert the video? You should drag the video. So here I just going to drag this video inside my Google Drive. So now I just going, it's actually uploading here. You can see, you can cancel when if you don't want, or you can just delete it after using this on your slide. So after finishing your presentation, okay, not only in the slide, after you just make it in your Google Drive after presenting your presentation on your college or whatever. After it, if it is not use of this slide, you just delete the video. So now I just dropped the video to the slide of content. Now you just go to the insert option. Now click on the video, and now you will have this option called slide of content. Just click inside. You can see this video file. Just double click here. It automatically opens to the and inserted to the thing, and here you can formatting this video so it's look greater for to view. You can just format it and open the drive. And here another thing I just want to mention, so you can some of the format only it will be accepted here. That's one of the thing. You just need to have another option. You just click this three dot and just see whether it is, click on the share option, and now it shows the general access is restricted. Only people with access can open this link. You just change to anyone with link, so it's easier. You can just copy the link and go to the insert and go to the insert video option and just paste the URL here and just enter it. It automatically shows the video and you just can insert it. Okay, and this video format is not supported here, so it's not opening here. It shows to format this video to create on any device. Check back later to view it. So I just want to do something, but this is the procedure to insert the video on your Google Slide. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video which is super valuable content. This is Tilak signing up from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.